Now having got that, next is to obtain the total. Now if you were to see this particular column, this has got total plus ES. Now this ES is actually featuring out of the table. So we need to use what is called as absolute referencing. Now click on equal to, say sum, open the parenthesis, highlight all of this. Okay, you need to highlight all of this. So once you have highlighted all of this, you will have to add them up. You just complete the parenthesis, close the parenthesis off, and then you place an addition sign, and then you click on this particular cell. Now just by clicking on the cell, you're not going to be getting the answer. Of course you'll get the answer for the first row alone, but the answer would not be accurate if you do not perform the absolute referencing. Now what do you mean by absolute referencing? You are actually freezing this particular cell. In other words, you want this particular cell to be added for each of these operations that you're going to be carrying it out for Arno, Janice, Kevin, Tang, so on and so forth, for all of these students. So the row can change for the sum component, but when you're adding this cell H, that should always remain. So for that, you need to press F4 key. Now for some computers or for some laptops, F4 key is not, I have found it to be inactive. In cases like that, you manually go to the address bar and place $$ before H and $$ after H. That would ensure that the absolute referencing is complete. I hope that is clear. Now you click enter, you will get the total in this fashion. Now all you need to do is just go and pull it down. Now I can show that the total is going to be accurate by performing a random row check. Now let me do a random row check and show that to you. Now, so I'm going to perform this 93 added with 86 added with 98 added with 78. So what do I get? I get 355, and to 355 I'm adding 4.3521, and what do I get? I get 359, 3521. So that is correct. So our formula is absolutely correct. So let me go to the last row and perform the same. So I'm going to take 83. To 83 I'm adding 72, and then to that I'm adding 97, to that I'm adding 95, and then I'm adding this ES, which is 4.3521. So what should I get? I should get 351.3521. That's exactly what I'm getting, 351.3521. So the formula that we have given here is absolute and it's correct.